guys, welcome back. Ohayo gozaimasu. Herzlich willkommen. So guys, update on Plug Power, ticker PLUG. Yeah, I want to give you here an updated chart analysis here, and of course the updated price levels. I have to laugh because I see the news here and they say, why is Plug Power in the minus today, or why is we're seeing red numbers for Plug Power. Plug Power squeezed yesterday 14.5%. We are back here at $2.20 and we are very, very close to see here a breakout for Plug Power. So I give you here the updated chart analysis. This is of course not financial advice. If you're new to this channel, welcome. The main purpose is to educate you in trading, and I usually do that by showing here short squeeze stocks. And not only I show them, my mission is to predict short squeezes. I show you something here later in the video, and let's see if we can also see here a short squeeze for Plug Power. Before I enable the drawings, guys, nothing changed. We can see that Plug Power is in a very, very horrible downtrend here. We had this massive spike, this massive squeeze here back in 2021. As you know, guys, hydrogen stocks, pharmacy stocks, meme stocks, crypto, everything, guys, everything, almost everything squeezed back in 2020 and 2021. And most of the stocks had their peak in November 2021, but Plug Power already corrected here since January. And you can see since we had the peak at 75.49 here, we are now trading back at $2. And it's not a surprise, guys. Yeah, it's not a surprise. You have to respect the chart. You have to understand how the algos work and what happens when we have short squeezes like that. The good news is, guys, when we have again a bull market like this, it is possible that that happen again. But the situation changed a little bit. You can see the volume profile here that we have now much bigger candles than before. This is not a good sign. This is not a bullish sign, guys. This is very often a sign of dilution, which means Plug Power is diluting the stock right now. As long as we're trading here above $1, it's still not a problem. We have still $2 billion market capital, which is also good. But keep that in mind. The more the company is diluting a stock, the more difficult it is to see squeezes like that happen. For now, we have a short squeeze situation here for Plug Power, and I show you now here my drawings. As I said, nothing changed when you saw my previous videos. I said that we are here in a horrible downtrend. That's not 100% correct, guys. Of course, when we compare this with the peak in January 2021, yes, we are in a horrible correction here. But overall, for everybody who bought in Plug Power here back before 2020, we have still an uptrend. It sounds weird, but we are still in an uptrend. You can see this trend channel pattern here, which I have in my chart. And this is where we are, guys. This is the support zone for Plug Power. And if you didn't see my previous videos, I also predicted that we will see a bounce here back at $2.26. And guess what? As soon as we reached that price goal here, Plug Power started to squeeze. I think in the 4 hours chart it was even, it was more than 117%. That's why I say it is quite predictable. And what I mean with the breakout level right now, guys, we are trading here very, very, very a few cents below $2.26. Yeah, this is the breakout, make it or break it price level, how I call that, which means when the price is trading above $2.26, sorry for my bad English, guys, that means we have here a very, very bullish price action incoming, potential bullish price action. But when we get rejected at this price level here, that is unfortunately in favor for the bears. What I'm waiting for, let's first talk about the worst. I just call it the worst case scenario. For me, it would be the best buy-in case scenario, not financial advice. But we have this trend channel pattern, guys, and this trend channel pattern is in control or in favor for the algos here, where we have the buying entries here. Yeah, every time when the algo hits the bottom of this trend channel, we have a massive squeeze reaction here. You can see the squeeze range here in this trend channel is more than 200%, and we are very, very close to hit this bottom again, and I'm honestly waiting for that. So that would mean, based on today's price here, around $1.47 is something like the potential technical bottom before we see a bigger squeeze incoming for Plug Power. It don't has to, because the company is diluting. This is the problem. The market opens right now, guys, while I'm doing this video here. Very good. We can see the live price action. But I said that before, that I also talk here about short squeeze stocks, and that I try to predict short squeezes, guys. And I upload here every Sunday my finest selection of short squeeze stocks. I call them the hot stocks. And just on Sunday, I uploaded a video while I'm recording this video. It's Tuesday, and already yesterday we had our first hot stock squeeze of 109% in just one day, guys. Yeah, also very predictable. I released the video here on Sunday. You can see 1 day later this ticker started to pump. It pumped even more than 109%, but when I did the screenshot, the squeeze was 109%. So as I said, when I release those videos here, it's a very popular videos, guys. I have a lot of members here, and that means that I expect those tickers to squeeze in the very few next days. You can see some of the member feedbacks here, guys. If you want to see those short squeeze stocks, we have here massive squeezes in October, the biggest one 854%. In September, my biggest one, which I predicted, 1400%. This is of course not normal. We don't have that every day, but something like 100%, guys. To be very honest, it sounds weird maybe, but this is nothing special anymore for me. So if you want to see those short squeeze stocks, you can of course join in here our trading community. We're growing every day, guys, and the most popular membership which I have is the full package membership on Patreon. You can see all the member benefits here. You get of course access to my hot stocks, and when you click here the info icon in the corner, then you get access to the Patreon member link, guys. So my friends, Plug Power, yes, we can just track that live right now. We want to see the price hitting here back over $2.26. In my previous videos, I said already that the main liquidity zone, don't get me wrong, my personal wish price, yeah, if we are here in the perfect world, I want to see come the price down one more time to $1.47 here in that range. Yeah, and then we see maybe a rebound here and very, very big squeeze in favor for the bulls. This is for me the perfect world. However, we have a very strong liquidity zone here where the buyers are waiting, and this is this green box here in the chart, guys. And you can see everything here between $2.97 and $1.92. This green box here is in favor for the bullish algo. So we don't want to leave this price range here to the downside, and if we leave it, we just want to hit here one time this trend channel bottom before we could see here a massive squeeze for Plug Power. As I said, guys, it was the same here. The liquidity zone is always the same. You can see how the bulls find support and push the price here at the bottom of this liquidity zone. That's why I say the final shakeout scenario, if the market makers create here some drama, some shakeouts, then guys, this is our spot here to watch out for, and then we could see here a potential very, very big squeeze for Plug Power. Let's talk about the squeeze price levels here. We have of course here some hidden signals from the market makers. So over the price level here, $2.26, we have this open gap at $2.37. I hope you can see that, guys. Here is one open gap. So the market makers left us already here a hidden signal that the price has to come back here. The next price goal is $2.91, and the EMA 200 days line is waiting today at $3.04. That's why I say, guys, for me, this is not a big short squeeze. When we see a technical reaction like that, let's just see the full scope. The full scope would be a squeeze of 125 to 130% if we hit the bottom here of this trend channel and just hit the top. That is a very nice profit, of course. That is something like a squeeze, but not a short squeeze. If we want to see a short squeeze for Plug Power, exactly this needs to happen. We need to break out here out of this trend channel pattern. Then we can see here much, much higher price goals, at least in my opinion here. $4.80 to $6 almost here is possible, and even $8 and higher could be possible for Plug Power if we finally can break out of this trend channel pattern. I think something like this could happen, that we see a squeeze, then we come back, find support here, maybe with a fake out, and then a bigger squeeze could be initiated. If we stay in the bull market, guys, yeah, it's very dangerous right now. Everything is squeezing right now. You can see what Bitcoin, crypto, everything is just squeezing. But the problem is when you have squeezes like that, the reaction which will come for sure is a bear market, and that could happen in the beginning of 2025 or even earlier. I will give you updates here on that when this happens, guys. Yeah. My friends, I think that is clear. The price goals are clearly defined. $2.26 is our temporary enemy, let's call it like that, and it can be our friend if we close above that. If you want to copy the price levels here from my chart, this is everything based on TradingView, and we have a very, very special discount right now. TradingView has a Black Friday right now and gives you 70% discount, guys. I have a special discount link here. Sorry. Available here when you click on the info corner, info icon here, then you get access to my Black Friday discount link for TradingView. You get the premium tier, the highest possible tier, with 70% discount and 1 month for free. This is a very, very limited offer, guys, so that means you just pay $16.69 per month, which is an incredible deal. So take your chance right now, guys. Use my special discount link here and get your TradingView premium access right now. I'm not sponsored by TradingView, but I use that chart program for all my videos and all my own trades. and that's why I highly recommend that. My dear friends, that was the update on Plug Power. I wish you great success. I hope that video was helpful for you. If you don't want to miss any updates, if you like this content, then please guys, hit the like and subscribe button right now. Thank you for your time, I appreciate that, and see you in the next video. Arigato gozaimasu, vielen Dank, alles Gute, viel Erfolg mit Plug Power und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care, bye bye guys.